past 2 weeks have been about Hackathon here in Okra. So this is my first time in Europe, first time leaving my country, Nigeria, coming to a new country, and it's been an amazing city here in Porto.
One thing I'll say about the people of Porto is that everyone's super friendly, so that's been like a plus for me. It was nice to see everyone face to face as well. That's one thing that I'm very happy about because usually I'm at home seeing people in like the different squared boxes, but it was really nice to finally meet everyone.
I joined Okra about 3 months ago, and having this hackathon that spanned over 2 weeks firstly gave me the opportunity to meet everybody. I was having that personal feel will not only help you be able to ask for help when you need it, but you would also feel like you've built a personal relationship with these people.
This hackathon actually is quite well organized, making all of us work really closely with each other, have a lot of fun.
This first 1 week has been about product market fit, so I've been able to understand what we are doing within different departments to ensure that we have a product market fit.
I learned way more than I thought I knew about the company. There's a lot of things that people brought up about future plans, where they want to see the company go in the future and what the goals are, not only for Okra, but also for our customers. The greatest experience that I've had so far is the hands-on activities, where we're actually building things that will benefit the company in the near future.
Another important thing I loved about the experience was the cross-pollination of ideas. I was able to bounce off ideas of challenges I was facing in my role, and the end result was innovative solutions on how I could effectively tackle that.
In the end, everyone has a lot of takeaways to make things better together in the future.
I think another thing that has been really good as far as Hackathon is concerned is also helping me to build relationships with people. So naturally, these are people that probably I'm seeing on the screen, talking to virtually, or people that I've not even had the opportunity to speak with, right? So now I'm speaking with them, building relationships with them. And I can categorically say that if I see anyone within Okra, I know them by name. And when I say I know them by name, I really know them. So this is an amazing journey thus far, and I'm enjoying it.